Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this super cute table sign for Christmas, for your Christmas table. You can write the name of your guests and of yourself and put it on your table near the plate. You will need some scrap of papers, paper punches, the circle ones, and a pen to trace the face of Santa Claus, and scissors and some glue. Okay, and a wooden stick. Okay, let's get started to create this super cute Santa Claus table sign that you can use also as a after your Christmas celebrations as a bookmark. Okay, we will need to cut a paper circle in white. Okay, and then for this part of Santa Claus, then we will need to create the hat, and I suggest that you do in this way, so it's more easy to create. With the scissor, cut a sort of triangle in red paper, and then you will have your Santa Claus hat. Now you can glue your hat to the other part in this way. Voila. Okay, now we will need to create this, our pom-pom. And we will have to glue the pom-pom to the end of the hat. So here, voila. Now we will have to create this part of our hat. It's quite easy. You can use also the circle paper, sorry, the punch, the circle punch, and you will need to do in this way. Round a little your corner. Okay. If you want a little bigger, you can use a piece of paper, and with this part you can trace it if you want with a pencil, and then after cut with a scissor, or you can trace it in this way and then refine your piece of paper. I prefer to do in this way. Okay, round the corner. Okay, and now we will have this part. We will have to glue this to the hat. Put your glue not all in all the white paper, but only in the middle. Okay, leave the corner without any glue. Okay, here your Santa Claus. That is. Now we will have to create the face. Trace it. Okay, we will have to create the mustache here. Okay, we will need another piece of white paper with the paper punch, always the circle one. We will create this kind of form. Okay. Voila. If you want, you can make them bigger or smaller. In this moment I created them smaller, but if you want, you can do also in this way. It's quite easy. As you prefer. Okay, now glue your mustache. Okay, to the face. Voila. Okay, now with this we will create the nose, and to create the nose you can do in this way. Color a part of your white paper and then punch a little circle, and with the glue you can glue your nose to your mustache. Voila. If you want, you can trace a sort of mouth doing this way. I think it's more funny. And then for the eyes I used two of these that I colored in black with a black permanent pen, and then I glue them to my Santa Claus. It's quite easy, and a sort of little sparkle. So, okay, voila, leave it to dry, and the same for the other one. You will need to put a little glue, better with something like this, like a toothpick. Press down. Voila. Here the finished Santa Claus. We will add some sort of a sparkle shadow in this way with a silver pen or the color that you prefer. And now we will have to glue our Santa Claus to the wooden stick. Okay, voila. Sorry, but I didn't press quite. Voila, here the finished project. And then if you want to trace the name, you can do it with a permanent pen, and you can write the name of your guest. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with another new paper creation for Christmas, because we are near Christmas, and then we will start from today we will start to create some new paper creations. See you next time. Bye bye.